is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share the party audio in your video clips and your live streams on your PlayStation 4. So I'm just on the home screen here. I want to go up to settings and then scroll on down until we get to where it says sharing and broadcast. Select this option. Then under this screen, we want to go to audio sharing settings. Then we can go to shared party audio. Video clips and broadcasts will include all audio from players in the party who allow their voices to be shared. This overrides the setting for include microphone, audio, and video clips, and in broadcasts. So you can check mark right here and you'll turn it on. And if your friends allow their voice to be shared, you should hear them now. Now to allow your voice to be shared, you want to open up your party. So join a party on the PlayStation. I'm going to go to the party icon on the home screen here. And then we will have this option right here. It says Party Audio Settings. If we select this, we can go to this option right here. Allow your voice to be shared. Make sure your friends have this turned on. And then you should be able to hear them in your video clips. And do this for your account too, for your voice to be picked up in their video clips. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.